Hey you guys, it's Jasmine from Jurassic World coming to you today with another YouTube video. So I hope you guys hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to plenty more content that I have coming your way, you guys. So I purchased some bearded dragons from Swords. They will be 22/23 breeders for me. So yeah, I purchased a couple. Well, not a couple, a few. I purchased a few bearded dragons from Swords. As you can see, they have live animals, they have their stickers all over the box and everything. Box is very secure. So we're gonna go ahead and dig into this box, okay? I got my scissors over here, if I can get that. For you to see things. Live reptiles, okay? Needless to say, oh yes, Jurassic World, you guys, has did a whole 360. As you can see, I have totally different setup from what you guys saw from the last couple of videos. So the next couple of videos that I'll be bringing to you guys will be showing you the new changes and updates and everything that I have been doing to Jurassic World and getting everything established and ready, you guys. So a lot of more videos will be coming, introducing each reptile and things like that. I just been very busy, so I have not been able to give out content as much as I would like, but I'm going to get back on the bandwagon and give you guys more content. Okay? So we have some stickers from Swords, you guys. Maybe I should move my camera up a little. So yes, Swords gave us some stickers as well. Excuse the bandage. For some reason, I broke my nail. Well, not for some reason. I was cleaning the tanks and stuff like that. So, yeah. More stickers, Swords. You guys go check them out. Go follow them. Very, very nice. She's very, very nice. And have awesome bearded dragons and everything, and their content is really good. Also, in another YouTube video, I purchased other bearded dragons, so it's like I'll do that later. I'll do that in another video of them. So this is just my invoice, basically letting me know how much I paid and everything and all that good stuff. Basically the total. Oh my gosh, she gave me an invoice. Thank you so much for giving me an invoice. I actually need this as records, as receipts, actually. So packaging is on point. We got a heating pad. Oh, she gave me a pen, you guys. Oh, this is so nice. Sorry, I'm not like all the way set up. I just decided to do a YouTube video like last minute, so I'm not really set up, but I'm set up a little bit. So bear with me. So it's Swords from Jeff and Katina. What? Oh, okay. So they gave me a pen as well. Oh, this is so nice. So take out my paper, a bunch of paper, and then we have some baggies right here. I kind of figured that they were in baggies because of the simple fact that I heard someone scratching. So you want to be gentle.
It's a lizard.
Yes, it is a lizard. But yeah, they were scratching at the box. So you guys, I'll open up this bag first, and I'll set my invoice over here out the camera. But so nice. Packaging was on point. The heating pad was on point. Everything was really on point, honestly. Oh, look at you guys. Hello. Hi. I'm getting it now. So, hello. This is the Dunner. It's a male, and he is gorgeous. He is gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Hi. So this is Olive. I actually already named it. So this is Olive. Oh no, maybe I should make him Ollie. Ollie. Meet Ollie. Hello. And then we have another one. Oh, look at her. This is another Dunner as well. And this is a girl. She got her red stripes and everything. And her name is Sunrise. Hi, Sunrise. You made it home. This is your new home, okay? Hey, Ollie. Welcome. Okay, so that's the first package. Second package. Let's see. Oh, look at you guys. Oh my goodness. Y'all are beautiful. Okay, so let's see. I do not have a name for these ones yet. They are in shade. These are some hypos as well. Look at my invoice. So I have 2 hypo Dunners, 1 male, which is Ollie, 1 female, which is Sunrise, and then I have some leatherbacks. So these are leatherbacks and 66% het whiplets / trans, and then I also have a female translucent. So oh, look at that. I hope you guys can see her. So this is a girl and she's in shade, so you're probably not going to be able to see as much as I would like you to see actually with her. So yeah, this is one. Let's see. You want your legs right there on the paper towel. You guys can see her just on the paper towel. Please don't jump, Sunrise. Hi. And that was a female. Here goes a male leatherback, and he's nice and chunky. You guys see them colors? So, set you right over here. Hi. I don't have names for these ones because this was a last minute sale. what, if I must say. So, pause, you guys. I'm gonna put Sunrise and Ollie up, actually. So, I'm gonna put Ollie and Sunrise up. I showed you her and I showed you him. So let's see. Hello. And this is another boy as well. Look at him. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. And oh! Really? They be so quick to be on flight. He's fast. Really fast. Jump down and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them inside their tank. Little beauty. For some reason, and last but not least, the translucent. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her. She is beautiful. Look at her, guys. So I'll take some pictures of each one of them singly and let you guys see them. It's hot in the reptile room, you guys. As you can see, I have a bunch of reptiles. It's my whole office. I'm surrounded. So excuse my sweat, but I am in the reptile room. So if you know about your reptile room and having bearded dragons, you know exactly what temperatures they need to be at and everything like that. So you know exactly how hot I am right now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I haven't named the other 4 because the other 4 was, like I said, a last minute deal. She wound up posting them and I just went for it. So I didn't really name them just yet, but Sunrise and Ollie, I did name them in advance. So with each picture at the end, you guys, I'll go ahead and put their name. So make sure you stay tuned for more and more content from Jurassic World and see what I'm doing and what I have been up to these past few months that I haven't posted a YouTube video, you guys. So make sure you give me that thumbs up. Make sure you like make sure you watch the whole video. I'm sorry. But most importantly, don't forget to hit me with that subscribe so you can be the first to know when I upload my video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell as well, because that's another way how you would know when I upload any content. I thank you so much, you guys, for supporting me in my adventure and my journey for Jurassic World. And I look forward to doing business with you guys and giving you guys more content every week. So stay tuned.